In this tutorial, we guide you through the installation and setup of the latest iVMS-4200 PC client software from Hikvision. Follow along to learn how to connect your Hik-Connect account for seamless live view and playback of your Hikvision cameras directly on your Windows PC or laptop. This comprehensive, step-by-step guide is ideal for anyone looking to set up remote monitoring and get the most out of their Hikvision system's capabilities. To download the iVMS-4200 software, you can either visit the Hikvision official website or use the link provided in the video description below. On the Hikvision website, go to the support page, then navigate to the download section, and choose software. Under the iVMS-4200 tab, select the first file listed for Windows installation. To proceed, review and accept the Materials License Agreement, which will initiate the download of the setup file. Once you click the download button, your browser will begin downloading the file. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the file size. Note, this video series will guide you through using the iVMS-4200 PC software to access additional features like local LAN live view, playback, footage download, and more. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any updates or new tutorials on maximizing your Hikvision system's capabilities. Locate the downloaded iVMS-4200 setup file, usually in your Downloads folder. Right-click the file and select Run as Administrator to grant the necessary permissions for installation, minimizing the chance of permission-related issues and ensuring smoother setup. Next, accept the license agreement and choose your installation location. You can either use the default folder or specify a different one. If prompted, deselect any additional features you don't need right now. Enabling only the basic configuration and video features is recommended for initial setup. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll have the option to launch the iVMS-4200 software right away. To do this, check the Launch Client box before finishing. Additionally, select Create a desktop icon to easily access the tool in the future. These options make it more convenient to start using the software immediately and to locate it quickly on your desktop whenever needed. When launching the iVMS-4200 software, a small pop-up window labeled Upgrade Detection may appear. You can choose to enable or disable this feature based on your preference. Enabling it will allow the software to check for updates automatically, keeping you informed of new versions. When you launch iVMS-4200 for the first time, the software will prompt you to create a super user account. This is an important security step to ensure that only authorized users can access and configure the software. You'll need to select a strong username and password for the account. Once set up, you will need to log in with your super user credentials each time you open the software. If you'd prefer not to enter your details every time, you can check the Auto Login option to have the software open automatically. Additionally, make sure to answer the security questions provided, which will help you recover your account if you forget your password in the future. Now that the installation and initial setup are complete, let's move on to configuring the iVMS-4200 software to add your Hik-Connect-enabled Hikvision cameras. Go to the Device Management section. Under the Device tab, click on the Cloud P2P device option, which will open the Add Device screen. Here, you'll need to enter your Hik-Connect account credentials, username and password. The first step is to select your region, which should already be set in your Hik-Connect mobile app. This ensures the connection aligns with your account's region settings. Once your region is selected, click the Login button. Next, enter your Hik-Connect username and password, which are the same credentials you use to access your mobile app. This will securely link iVMS-4200 to your Hik-Connect account and allow the software to retrieve your devices. Once logged in, the software will automatically pull in the cameras associated with your account, making them ready for live viewing and management directly from iVMS-4200. If you're unsure about your region and username for your Hik-Connect account, you can easily find these details in the Hik-Connect mobile app. Simply open the app and go to the Meet section at the bottom right of the screen. Then, click on your account name at the top of the page. This will display your account details, including the region and username associated with your account. Once you have logged into your Hik-Connect account, the associated devices will be listed under the Cloud P2P Devices page in iVMS-4200. On the Add Device page, click the Cancel button. This action is used for adding new devices to your Hik-Connect account, so if you don't need to add any new devices at the moment, simply cancel this step. Afterward, you can view and manage the devices already linked to your Hik-Connect account directly in iVMS-4200 for live viewing and playback. When you click on a camera to view the live stream in iVMS-4200, you may be prompted to enter the device verification code. To find this code, you'll need to access your Hikvision device's settings via a connected monitor or TV. First, navigate to the configuration section from the main menu of your device. Then, under the Network tab, select Platform Access. Here, the device verification code will be displayed. Once you retrieve the code, enter it into iVMS-4200 to complete the setup and gain access to your camera's live stream and other features. You can access individual cameras or view multiple cameras at once. To view a specific camera, simply select the corresponding window and click on the camera to see the live stream. If you wish to view all cameras at the same time, you can click on the group name for all cameras, which will display the live feeds from all cameras simultaneously. This feature is helpful for monitoring multiple cameras efficiently from a single screen. To access recorded footage of a camera in iVMS-4200, go to the Remote Playback menu. Select the camera from the list, and a timeline bar will appear at the bottom of the camera window. You can drag this bar left or right to adjust the playback time. For more specific searches, use the calendar icon to choose a particular date and view footage from that day. This feature allows for easy navigation of recorded video, making it convenient to find the footage you're looking for by both time and date. When you close iVMS-4200 without logging out of your Hik-Connect account, you can still access the associated cameras without having to log in again. However, if you log out of your Hik-Connect account and then close and reopen the software, you will need to log in again, just as we did in the earlier steps. This ensures that your account credentials are re-authenticated, allowing the software to retrieve your cameras for viewing. For further clarification or additional information, feel free to explore another segment of this video series. We hope this video helped, and if it did, please consider supporting us. Your support enables us to create more educational content and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's by liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support is greatly appreciated. Thank you.